Hello, Farhan here.
I am Izzat.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Afiq Danial bin Roslan.
Hi, I am Irfan.
Hi everyone, my name is Yunus Ibrahim Badeeudin. Welcome to our video.
Okay, our objective doing this product is first to make human life easy in terms of throwing trash away. Okay, second, to make the world always notice the importance of 3R, which is reducing, recycling and reusing trash. Okay, then lastly, to prove that there is no need of human energy to throw away any trash. Okay, for customer requirement, first, the dustbin must open and close by itself. Garbage can seal by the mechanic of the bin. The garbage can be pulled out without a lot of human power. This is our product design specification. First, we can see total mass, wheel size, and unit manufacturing cost. And then we can see maximum tire width, dustbin offset, dustbin size, and then lastly we can see time to assemble. This is our subsystem. First, we use hydraulic jack to move the trash outside of the bin when it full. Okay, the second one, we use sensor. Sensor was used to open the cover by not using any human power. And third, we use this is bin box. Bin box was used to place the storage in the trash. And tire, we use tire to make the bin box easy to move around. And then lastly, drawer rail to make the movement of cover part and body part.
For the material, we use three things. That is zinc plate for the opener, hollow bar for the frame of the body, and aluminum plate to make a body. For the manufacturing process, we use three type of equipment that provided. First is a cut-off machine to cut the steel. Second is a grinding machine to clean the surface of the steel to make it smoother. And last, we use MIG welding to connect the steel.
This is the hydraulic part. As we can see, the blue color is the hydraulic part, which is bought, which is not fabricated. But as for the lifting frame, which is the zigzag pattern, it is fabricated by using aluminium steel. We combine each zigzag pattern by using bolt and screw. This hydraulic part is used to lift the bin box.
So this is the drawer rail part. So this part we don't fabricate ourselves, we just bought it from the shop. So the function of the drawer rail is to make the moving bin box upward and downward more smooth. As the hydraulic push it upward, then it will become the support to lift the bin box.
For the tire placement, we make it using a steel, and for the tire, we bought it from the shop and install it to the tire placement at the base using bolt and nut. The opener of the dustbin, we make it from zinc, and the cover of the opener, we make it using aluminium steel.
Next is the sensor part. So there are two sensors here, which is thermographic sensor and level sensor. For the thermographic sensor, it senses the motion and the heat of something. So if there any heat and motion detect, so the opener will open automatically. For the level sensor, the level sensor is to detect the level of trash in the bin.
As for the monitor, the screen and button, we bought the thing. We fabricate ourselves the holder of screen and button from aluminum steel. This screen is used to display the capacity of trash which is left in the bin, and the button is used to control the hydraulic. As for the first button, from left is the button to control movement for going up. In the middle is the button to control the stop button of hydraulic, and the third button is to control the decreasing of hydraulic. This monitor is combined by using screw and nut to the body.
The calculation part, there are three specs here, which is body dustbin, dustbin opener and hydraulic jack. So the next one is the calculation for the hydraulic jack. From the calculation we get 2.2 kilowatt for power, which is the power for the hydraulic jack to lift 15 kilo of trash. So that's why we bought 2.5 kilowatt of hydraulic jack. After we use the ANSYS, so this is the result for the total deformation. For the hydraulic part, we got 8.8224 mm for the maximum total deformation. For the drawer rail, we got 0.0326 mm for the maximum value, and the last one is 1.818 times 10 to the power of negative 5 mm. The next one is the equivalent stress. For the hydraulic part, we got 1259.3 megapascal for the maximum stress. For the drawer rail, we got 9.759 megapascal, and the last one is the bin box. We got 0.090291 megapascal.
For the customer, there are 3 main customer that we target for our project. First is restaurant owners, second is house family, and last shopping mall owner.
Competitor to our product is automatic dustbin, which is currently in the market, but they are quite expensive compared to our product, which is cheaper and affordable. When the request of dustbin Pro Max from the government, restaurant and shopping mall owner increase, so this business opportunity will increase. This will lead Malaysia job opportunity to community of the Malaysia citizen when there will be a factory to do a production place of the dustbin. Increase spending by the government on dustbin in public, and also many people live in this country want to use the dustbin can boost the demand for this dustbin. Apart from that, a few TV programs already create awareness about important to keep our country clean so that we will keep away the virus. On safety and health concern, our product is no sharp edges, no harmful chemical reaction, and there is analytic data to manage collection routes, and the placement of bins is more effective.
As for the environmental concern, our dustbin is a dustbin which produces no sound pollution and no air pollution. And our dustbin is most likely to be known as very convenient and handy to be used by people. This dustbin reduces the amount of waste bins which is needed in daily life. And in this pandemic, in this era of pandemic, this dustbin reduces the chance of virus spreading. As for the sustainability concern, our dustbin is known as a very long-lasting dustbin. It is because our dustbin can never face any damages, and easily our dustbin is most likely to have the replacement parts which is very easily to be found if there is any damages. Lastly, our dustbin is a dustbin which is capable of withstanding a huge amount of trash which will be thrown in the dustbin.
Moving to costing of this product, there are 7 items listed in the table. Tomographic sensor costs RM125, wireless charging port costs RM50, display monitor costs RM100, mild steel square hollow costs RM15 per rod, that's 22 feet, and we need 5 rods. Aluminium plate costs 50 per plates, that 2 feet times 2 feet, and we need 5 plates. Plain tire costs RM25, hydraulic removal costs 150 ringgit, and the total for this product will cost 750 ringgit.
As for the discussion, as we all know, this auto bin is already exists in the market and it costs a very huge price. So we produce a auto bin which have lots more functionality with a lower cost. Our dustbin is a very useful and very convenient to be used is because it has a long lifetime machine which has been improved the material durability and rust resistance. Our product was fabricated to meet the customer's need. Example, like to make them even more no use of human power by using the concept of hydraulic, which there is no human power needed to throw away the dustbin from the trash. So, lastly, our dustbin is most likely to reduce the manufacturing cost of this dustbin industry. As for the conclusion, it is very well known that our product is very well constructed and it is user friendly. This is because our product completes all the customer needs. This product is very efficient and long lasting because our product is very durable in every terms. Lastly, our product increases the cleanliness of country, which relates to the main topic, which is Malaysia Prihatin. So, last quote from me, if you are not taking care of your customers, your competitor will. So, that's all from me. Thank you for listening to our video. Thank you everyone. Have a great day.